the bar spoon is there for that. More rice again. So we are going to use this there for the top. The Malibu rum. I don't need to use the and then let's put a little bit of color, and the cherry is there for that. The cherry. Just the cherry. Okay, I'm gonna show you where I take my cherry. It's here. Cha-da-da-da. There. There you go. Let's put a effect of a summer. There, guys.
Metang straw ni.
And the straw.
Metang.
Okay, we are going to choose which straw I'm gonna take. Maybe this one is colorful. So just this. Yeah, just this one. There. Voila! The deep blue ocean. So don't forget, guys, don't drink and drive.